Hi everyone, my name is Rizwan Ali Ghazi from Civil Department NSC Bangalore. Today I am here along with my three friends, namely Mr. Said Abu Bakr, Mr. Said Zaid, and Mr. Tanush. Now we'll be discussing on the topic if you want something you never had done, then you have to do something you never did before. Let me tell what actually I understood from this phrase is it means that if you want to achieve something, it may be any competitive job or it may be anything which is new to you, then you have to do something uh, which you have never done before. So, definitely there will be a challenge, there will be a problems, there will be a lot of mental tussle going on. But it is up to you how you will come out from those problems. It is up to you whether you want to stay in it or you want to get out of it. Because if your dream is to crack any competitive exam, if your dream is to get any job like in PSUs and all, then you have to do something different from others. You have to you have to work very hard for that. You need a proper plan because a dream without proper plan and deadline will never come true. It will remain the dream only. It will never come true. You know what is the difference between the dream and goal? Goals are the dreams with a proper plan and deadline, while his dreams are the dreams only. So, setting up a goal is very important for all of us. We need to set our goals. We need to work on those goals. We have to give our 100%. We need to work more and more with a proper dedication, with a proper plan. Then only we can achieve something. Then only we can achieve something in our life. So, every day, every time, we need to ask few questions like I follow 5 W's and 1 H. What, which, when, why, and where, and how. And I personally believe that if you follow these 5 questions daily to yourself, there is nothing which you cannot do. So, by following these questions, it clears everything. It clears everything, like it clears all the questions which you need to ask yourself. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sadhu Bakar. I am currently pursuing my BTech from New Horizon College of Engineering. My USN is 1NH19CV118. Today, I would like to talk about a quote by Thomas Jefferson, which states that if you want something you never had, you should be willing to do something you never had done. It is a known logic that success or achievement does not come for free, and one needs both industry and as well as intelligence to achieve greater heights. No one has ever said that a man or woman has achieved success as if it was a cakewalk. Every new innovation made was by using creative thinking and never losing hope on what they were doing. According to me, if you want to succeed in your life, you have to follow these things. You should be passionate about what you are doing, and you should be hardworking as well as smart working. Then you should never give up on what you are doing, regardless what the society thinks of you. We may or we may not succeed in the first try, but we should always remember that failure is first step to success, and we have to learn from our mistakes or our failures. For example, there are so many people I would like to point out, like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, MS Dhoni, and Mukesh Ambani, etc. But I would like to talk about specifically about Elon Musk. Elon Musk started his two companies after his graduation, which were named eBay and PayPal. He started those companies and it was doing great, but then he sold the company for 300 both the companies for $300 million. Then it was his choice whether to take that $300 million and settle down, or invest them and succeed in new business. Then what happened is Elon Musk started investing in two companies. That is, one is Tesla, which is a electric car company, and he started investing in SpaceX, which is a spaceship company or rockets. So he came up with the idea that NASA is wasting a lot of money on the rocket fuel tanks, which have been carried from Earth atmosphere to the space, and they have left as if it is trash. But NASA is spending so much of money on that. So Elon Musk came up with the idea that what if we send the fuel tankers outside and it comes back to Earth as safe as it could. So he started working on this idea. So what happened is like first three attempts he failed, and he never gave up on his work. But on the fourth attempt he achieved success, and NASA has given a plan to him of 1 billion to invest on his idea. So what is the moral is you should never give up, and you should always think outside of the box. I would like to thank my group members to giving me this opportunity to talk about this topic. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Sayed Zai. I am from New Northern College of Engineering and I am from B section. Now we are going to talk about if you want something you have never had, you must be willing to do something you have never had done. So this stanza is referred from Thomas Jefferson, and this quote says about it means for achieving, be it's a goal or a possession or anything which is new to you, never had that thing in your life, then you have to do something different which have never had done in your life. So this stanza was in our daily life we have to achieve or we have to be a successful person. First of all, we have to set a goal. After that, we try to concentrate in our goal until you get success. At the middle of that, some of failures will occur. We don't want to be surrender in that situation. We'll keep going on in our we'll keep moving on to the end of the goal. We have to become a successful person. You need to believe in yourself, and failures won't occur. If you want to be a success, just don't care what people thinking. We need to focus in our goal. Depends upon you. How much you work hard, the goal you will get a success. Just you want to believe in yourself, and don't bother others, don't compare to others and anything. Just we need to focus in our daily base, and we have keep an target, and we have to keep a set a goal, and after that happiness is the key to the success, and money can't buy you a happiness in our life. So please be joyful and be happy in your life, and don't be sad at any situation.
Good evening. I'm Tanush and I'm from New Horizon College of Engineering, and I'm going to speak a few words on a quote by Thomas Jefferson. As the quote says, if you want something you have never had, you must be willing to do something you have never had done. As the quote says, try to think outside the box. Just don't think about small things. Have huge dreams. And try to do things outside the well. Be determined on your goals. You want to reach. The best part is try to do things differently. By comparing both hard work and smart work, try to do things productively. Try to inculcate smart work in your work and never stop trying. Must work hard till the last minute. and never give up on the things which you want to achieve. You have to trust yourself and that you can do it and have a fixed mindset, and don't just give up your mind to silly things. Just get down to get what you never had but want to have it now because of these things which you have inculcated to get these things done. And as a quote says, so try to think outside the box and you will be willing to do something which you have never had done. Thank you. Regards, Amish.